everyone, welcome back to Recipes by Aisha. Today I'll be making the most delicious chicken malai kofta. It is so easy to make and the koftas will turn out so soft and even the gravy tastes so good. Watch the video till the end to learn all the tips to make these soft and juicy chicken malai koftas. Let's cook it. First, you have to take a food processor and add diced boneless chicken, roughly cut onion, ginger and garlic paste, crushed red chilies, salt, cumin powder, garam masala, crushed black pepper, green chilies, coriander leaves, a tablespoon of oil, thickened cream, and a slice of bread without its edges. Break it into small pieces before you add it into the food processor. Now run the food processor till the chicken and the spices are well combined and turn it into a mince. Then transfer it into a bowl and grease your hands with oil. Then take a small quantity of chicken mince and roll it in your hands to make a ball shape. I've kept the size a little smaller than a tennis ball. I've made around 18 chicken balls with this size. Then keep them aside. Now take a fry pan, add some oil and shallow fry all the chicken balls, which we also call koftas, on medium to low flame till they turn golden brown from each side. It will take almost 2 to 3 minutes till they turn golden brown. Once all of the chicken balls are golden, take them out in a separate plate and keep them aside. This is how beautiful these chicken koftas look like. Now in a separate pan, add some oil, add sliced onion, green chilies, peeled almonds and cardamoms. Stir fry them for 1 to 2 minutes till the onions changes its color. Then let it cool down and then blend it into a paste in a blender. In the same pan, add some oil, bay leaf and cinnamon stick and stir fry it for a few seconds. Then add ginger and garlic paste and stir for a few more seconds and then pour the onion paste from the blender into the pan. Stir it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low flame gently before you add the spices. Add crushed black pepper, crushed white pepper, salt, cumin powder and garam masala. Now stir the spices for 2 to 3 minutes with the gravy to have a flavorful gravy which would be so tasty and aromatic as well. Now switch off the flame, then add half cup of yogurt and stir it quickly before it forms any sort of lumps. If you feel your gravy is too thick in consistency, then add 1/4 glass of water to balance the consistency and stir it for 2 to 3 minutes till everything is well combined. Then add 2 tablespoons of thickened cream, which I'm using unsalted here, and stir it in the gravy. Now turn on the flame on low and add the fried chicken koftas one by one to the gravy and give it a mix gently to avoid breaking the chicken koftas. Then cover and cook the chicken koftas with the gravy for 10 to 12 minutes on medium to low flame. Add fenugreek leaves and give it a mix without using any spoon. Garnish it with coriander leaves, and this is how your delicious chicken malai koftas are ready in just few minutes. The creamy malai gravy and soft and juicy chicken koftas are so tempting. Serve it with roti or naan and I will show you the thick malai gravy adds beauty to the dish. They are so soft from inside and full of flavor and taste divine. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipe videos and don't forget to like and comment on this video.